I have a lot riding on this. A lot of my Navy friends, they're going to be watching, so I want to make sure I do them proud.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, your boy, Celebrity Chef Ponder, man.
Hi, everybody. How you doing? It's your boy, Chef Ponder, man.
Here, kicking it.
And we just did the damn thing.
The Taste of DC.
Here at MXDC.
Always great working with Chef Ponder, first class.
Chef Ponder brought us out today, so we're hoping to get to sample some of his nice delights, some of his food.
It was great. We had loved it. You loved the chicken too, didn't you?
Yeah, chicken.
It was really good. So.
And the waffles.
And the waffles, yeah. We had a really great time. It was wonderful food.
Chef Ponder is the uncontested winner of Food Network's Cutthroat Kitchen and Chopped finalist. I just wanted the people to know that.
Facts.
See? I know that.
I was at the Taste of DC and I met Chef Ponder and he told me about today's restaurant takeover.
I gotta go outside and do say happy birthday to somebody's wife right there. I don't know who it is. Let me look at the note right here. Beth. Happy birthday to you. Hi. Chef Ponder.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. How about the dessert? Was there anything crazy about the dessert?
It was spectacular. It tasted good and it was beautiful.
I am doing this tour, this couples cooking class, date night.
Wow, I'm
and
down.
it's going pretty good right now.
Be able to come and be around other people, learn how to do new things in the kitchen. We had a great time. Cooking with Chef Ponder.
A little bit of quick background about myself. I did 10 years in the Navy. It was called a mess specialist. Later changed to a culinary specialist. I did a couple tours, did aircraft carriers, had a chance to go overseas. Saw a lot of great people, a lot of good training.
Because this is the time y'all will be coming on. Hey, how are you? It's a We're going to taste it at the same time? Y'all
Oh, do your thing. I did this last night at my Bar Bites tour.
Yeah.